So you're ready to be a UGC content creator. Now, where do you find these brands and how do you get them to become your client? What about what you should even be offering? But let's go one by one. Where to find them? Most people will guide you towards Upwork, Fiverr, Twitter. Personally, my favorite is Instagram. Send them an example, but keep in mind to not be spammy. You are now a business. You are offering a service. So it is super important that you're being super professional in the way you present yourself. Now, there are some applications where you can sign up as a UGC content creator, but keep in mind that the rate that you're getting and the money that you're earning is all about the time that you're putting in. If they're basically finding and negotiating and doing the work for you, well, you can earn something like $30 per video or something like that, rather than you going out, contacting the brand, doing all that up front, and then on the other hand, you can earn more than 100 per video. Now, don't worry, because we are breaking down pricing, invoicing, contracts, all the legal stuff that you need to know inside the next video, because trust me, there's a lot to cover and I just couldn't fit it all in this one. So basically, this is how it works. You reach out to them. And of course, you're not just going to show up on Instagram, DM them and be like, hi, let me create videos for you. No, you want to make sure that you do it in a professional way. For example, have a portfolio. What do you need in a portfolio, right? We're gonna cover all that. I do have to add, you guys know me, I like an all-in-one solution. My favorite would be MailerLite for you to create your portfolio, not just because it's going to look professional, it's going to look like a full website that you created for them, but you can also accept payments through there, which yes, we're gonna talk about in the next video, but having this all-in-one solution with your portfolio just makes it so much easier. So I do recommend MailerLite for that. I'll go ahead and link that down below in the description so you guys can try it. Now, the most important part when creating your portfolio is to think of the buyer, not yourself. I've seen a lot of examples going around and you guys have a beautiful like Canva design templates where you'll write a full paragraph about you. Think about the buyer, not yourself. This means start off with examples, industries that you like, of course, your rate. Make sure to keep this short, to the point, and something that will make you stand out for the brand. Now, don't worry, we are covering everything that you need to know about rates in the following video, because trust me, there's a lot of information that goes in there, but I want you to start thinking what you want to offer. Videos and pictures, maybe just pictures, right? It's totally up to you what style of videos you create. There's reviews, sort of like testimonials, something like this. If you're trying to feel at your best, you need to hydrate. Not only hydrate, but add electrolytes. And this is my favorite. There's also more casual videos where you're just showing the product. There's not really like a strong call to action, buy now, like click the link below. Just a casual style of video showing the product. There's how-to videos. There's also unboxings like this one. So I actually heard about it from a couple of friends until I finally decided to try it. What I love about it is that they are chewable tablets and they have the best ingredients. You can check more out on their app or even their website. Now, for how you film it, you have talking to camera, you have voiceovers, you even have an option to offer videos where there's no sounds. So that way the brand can add in like a trending song, can add in text to speech, all that good stuff that we know will be very, very good for the brands to use on something like TikTok or Instagram Reels. Now, in the previous video where we covered what UGC was, who it was for, what you needed, remember that I said anybody, no matter what country you were in, you could be doing this. This is why. Now is the moment to determine what products you're creating UGC videos for. Is it physical products where they'll have to ship it to you? If so, make sure you are in a country where you are reaching out to the brands that do have that availability to ship. If you are in another country and you do want to be creating UGC videos, go ahead and reach out to software companies, apps, something digital where there's no excuse for you not to be able to create these videos for them. Now, keep in mind to leave all your questions down below. That is what guides me as to what information to put in the next video where we're talking all about pricing, invoicing, contracts, all that legal stuff. So make sure you ask away down below. And as always, I'll see you right back here on this same exact channel next time.